What if I told you that everything your science textbook taught you about the origin of the universe is a lie? Deep in the cosmos, we have just found 6 impossible objects, weighing up to 100 billion times the mass of our Sun, that literally break the laws of physics. These are fully formed, massive galaxies sitting 13 billion light-years away. But here is the problem: according to known science, there has not been enough time in the history of the universe for them to exist. It is exactly like walking into a kindergarten classroom and finding a fully grown, 6-foot-tall man sitting in a tiny chair. Scientists around the world are absolutely baffled, totally divided, and asking one terrifying question. Is the timeline of our universe completely wrong? To understand why this is keeping astrophysicists awake at night, you have to know the textbook truth. We are taught the Big Bang kicked off 13.8 billion years ago. According to every established model, it should have taken billions of years of slow, chaotic merging for tiny, messy star clusters to eventually form giant, structured galaxies like our Milky Way. That is the fundamental rule of astrophysics. But this is where things get strange. Because what I am about to reveal next breaks that rule so entirely, it is why thousands of truth seekers are joining our Deep Space Secrets community every single day. If you want to uncover the classified cosmic truths they do not teach in school, hit that follow button. Stay with me here, because what you are about to see changes everything. Let's go back to July 2022. The James Webb Space Telescope had just come online. Astronomers, including Dr. Erica Nelson at CU Boulder, pointed its powerful infrared lenses deep into a patch of sky near the Big Dipper. They were looking for the earliest baby galaxies. But as Dr. Nelson looked at the raw data, she spotted something impossible. 6 distinct, glowing red dots. They were not babies. They were monsters. And what the data revealed next sent shockwaves through the scientific community. These 6 objects were quickly classified by scientists as the universe breakers. By the end of this video, you will understand why. Imagine digging up an ancient Egyptian tomb, dusting off a sarcophagus, and finding a fully functioning Apple iPhone inside. That is what JWST found. Galaxies as massive as our Milky Way, fully mature, existing when the universe was only 3% of its current age. The leading theory to explain this is that early star formation was somehow 100 times more efficient than we ever thought possible. But here is where it gets crazy. Just when you thought you understood the anomaly, fresh data dropped a second twist. Some physicists are now arguing these are not normal galaxies at all. They could be ultramassive black holes, feeding at rates that defy gravity itself. Or, even more controversial, a new peer-reviewed study suggests the Big Bang did not happen 13.8 billion years ago. They claim the universe is actually 26.7 billion years old. This completely shatters our reality, and I genuinely want to know what you think. Look at these 3 options. Option A, the data is being misinterpreted and these are bizarre, ancient black holes. Option B, the textbooks are wrong, the Big Bang happened way earlier, and the universe is twice as old as we thought. Or option C, our fundamental laws of physics are just plain broken. Drop your wildest theory in the comments below right now. I read every single one, and we are uncovering this mystery together. Why does this matter? Because this affects how we see our place in the universe. If the universe is twice as old, every timeline, every evolutionary model, and our entire understanding of dark matter and dark energy has to be ripped up and thrown away. We are talking about rewriting the very foundation of modern science. It means we know a lot less about our origins than the gatekeepers of science wanted us to believe. Right now, humanity is staring into an absolute abyss of unknown physics. But do not lose hope. Science is a living, breathing detective story, and we are alive during its greatest chapter. Right now, JWST is dedicating hundreds of hours to perform deep spectroscopic analysis on these exact 6 universe-breaker galaxies. This upcoming data will act like a cosmic DNA test, pulling apart their light to tell us exactly what these objects are made of, and how fast they are moving. We are on the precipice of the greatest paradigm shift in human history. The textbooks will be rewritten, but this time, with better, sharper, and more profound truths. We are finally seeing the universe with our eyes wide open, and the true answers are coming. But this is not the only cosmic lie we have been fed. If you think these impossible galaxies are terrifying, wait until you see what is pulling our entire Milky Way toward it at 1.3 million miles per hour, an anomaly known as the Great Attractor. And what about the recent discovery that dark energy might be completely fake? We will be uncovering all of that next. Thank you for watching, and for being part of this incredible community. The fact that you are here means you are one of the few who are not afraid to question reality. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.